back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sri Diarsini, a college student of Ganesha University of Education, majoring in English Language Education Department. In this video, I would like to share how to arrange an oral report text by applying problem-based learning method or PBL. However, I would like to emphasize that this is for speaking skill of report text that will only focus on the 8th grade of junior high school students. Okay, are you ready to learn with me? Check it out. First of all, I would like to talk a bit about problem-based learning method or PBL. Problem-based learning method is an instructional method where students' learning occur in the context of solving authentic problems. It is a student-centered educational method. In addition, it can develop your critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and lifelong learning. In this video, I would like to apply 5 steps of problem-based learning method adapted by Tan 2003, namely, meeting the problem, learning issues, discovering, presenting the solution, and the last is evaluating. The first stage is meeting the problem. This procedure is as a stimulus where the problem scenario is built. Here, you will be given one problem to be solved. I have a collection of pictures about animals followed by the problem that need to be solved. Would you like to read the question in it with me? Okay, the question is, could you describe or present the information about one of these animals in general? And these animals are penguins, lions, pandas, camels, dolphins, kangaroos, elephants, giraffes, and komodos. Okay, there are 9 animals in total. You can pick one of these animals as your problem to be solved or your topic for your report text. Okay, please choose your animal now. Have you decided your topic? Okay, after you choose one animal, you will do the second stage, which is called learning issues. This procedure involves activating your prior knowledge, searching for information through various resources, and brainstorming. Okay, and now please watch this video as one of your sources before creating an oral report text. This is the video. What do you think about the video? Is it interesting for you? I hope so. And I believe that you already learned some points from the video. Let's discuss it together. The video involves the nature, the purposes, the generic structure, the language features, and an example of a report text. Okay, from the video, we know that a report text is a text presenting the information about something as it is. It contains general information mainly related to general knowledge. In addition, the purposes of a report text is to present about something in general and to describe an entire class of things, whether it is natural like animal and plants or made like transportation. A report text has two generic structures, namely general classification and description. In general classification, it states the classification of general aspects of things such as animals, plants, public places, or others, which will be discussed in general. In description, it describes the things which will be discussed in detail in terms of parts, qualities, behavior or habit for living creatures, or usage for materials. But this video we will only focus on a report text about animals. A report text also has some language features. The first one is using general nouns. So we make the nouns becomes plural. For examples, dogs, bees, kangaroos, and others. The second one is using action verbs. In this case, the action verbs refer to when the animal doing action or doing something. For example, run, climb, fly, and others. The third one is using simple present tense. Remember the formula of simple present tense? The formula is subject plus parent infinitive plus s or es. The fourth one is using relating or linking verbs. For examples, is, are, has, have, and others. The fifth one is using general description. For example, what is the size, what's the color, the shape, and others. And the last one is using technical terms. For example, kangaroos are marsupials, or turtles are reptiles. also see the example of a report text about animal in the video, right? I provide the example of a report text about turtles. You can replay it whenever and how many times you want. Okay, those are the information stated by the previous video. But don't worry, because you can also search for other information or other resources besides this video relating to your own topic. It can be from the websites, books, infographics, or other videos in the internet. The third stage for this activity is discovering. This procedure requires you to report your discovery of learning. Have you looked for the sources before creating a report text? Did you get some information or sources relating to your own topic? Great! In this section, I provide you some guiding questions that you have to answer in order to help you before creating a report text. These guiding questions involve what you should say in the beginning or general classification, such as what you are going to talk, and also the description of physical appearance, behavior, and habitation of the animal that you have chosen before. You can fulfill these guiding questions while you searching for other information required. After the discovering stage, you have reached the stage called presenting solution. This procedure requires you to present the solution of the problem as stated in the first procedure. Do you still remember about the problem? Yes! You are asked to describe or present the information about one of the animals in general. Here, you will demonstrate new knowledge by rephrasing or paraphrasing the knowledge that you get in order to find the solution. But what is the solution? The answer for this question is your oral report text. Then you will be able to tell others about the report text relating to your own topic. You can share the video of explaining a report text about animals on YouTube with hashtag #LearnWithMissSri. Now, I would like to tell you how to upload your video on YouTube using the YouTube mobile app. First of all, open the YouTube app. It has a red and white icon with a rectangle and sideways triangle inside labeled YouTube. You should find it on one of your home screens or in your app's menu. Second, tap your profile photo. It's at the top right corner of the screen. It opens the menu. Third, tap your channel. It's near the top of the menu. Then, tap the camera icon. It's on the right side of the bar that runs along the top of the screen. Next, select a video. A list of all videos in your phone will appear. Tap the one you want to add. 6. Add enhancement to the video. It is optional. If you'd like to make some last-minute edits, you have a few options, such as to shorten the video, choose an artistic filter, or add soundtrack. After that, tap Next to continue in the upper right corner to go to the next step. Enter a title. The title can be up to 100 characters long and should reflect the content of your video. Next, you also can enter a description. The description is optional but recommended. Information in the description will appear below your video while viewing. You can use this space to add some unique information about the video, the creator, or other projects. Add keywords to this area to make your video appear in relevant searches. Then, select a visibility level from the privacy menu. Make it public. This makes your video public searchable and viewable to anyone on YouTube. Finally, tap Upload. It's in the upper right corner. This uploads the video to YouTube. Once the upload is complete, it will appear in your videos list. And is it easier for you now? Last but not least, everything you've done must involve an evaluation. This stage is called evaluating. You will reflect on your own learning and evaluate how you did as a learner in terms of being a problem solver and a self-directed learner. Here, I provide you a self-reflection checklist. And it means that you have to judge yourself as honest as possible because it will not be scored. You will know your strengths as well as your weaknesses in terms of understanding the problem, brainstorming ideas for a solution, deciding the best ideas, and making plan to do the work. Okay, you can use this reflection to improve yourself in another activities or later in real life situation. Okay, I think that's all about how to arrange an oral report text, especially about animals, for speaking skill of 8th grade of junior high school students. I hope this video will be beneficial for you and will help you to create or arrange an oral report text easier by using one of the 21st century learning method, which is based on student-centered learning. And by applying this method, I hope you can develop your critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and lifelong learning. And good luck. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see the result of your work on YouTube. Bye!